Hey, this is William from Cybertruck Co. And today we are at Sidewinder Trail. It's a very nice trail we have here locally, and we're testing our skid plates out for a Cybertruck. Let's go get started.
This is not a gravy trail. Cybertruck handled all of this fairly easily, surprisingly. We're on the road back today to recover it. William's Jeep.
So here we are on Sidewinder Trail, and we've tested the limit of the tie rod. We found that our skid plates are holding up just great. Show you a little bit more about that soon. But we're gonna change this tie rod here. There comes a time when you need to repair your Cybertruck on the trail, or at least till we make some parts so you don't have to. We've chalked up our wheel here, and we've brought our welder to fix this on site because there's no parts actually. We have to repair this by welding it. With our heavy duty sliders, you can now jack the car up from anywhere along the side. And that's what we're gonna do. All right, to get us to this position in the trail, we had to do a little emergency trail repair. So we lost our tie rod, as you can see here. It broke off from our steering rack, and then the tire is allowed to move anywhere there, so you can't really recover the truck like that. So we had to lash it out here from behind the caliper, which is dirty, right in here, and then we had to lash it from here to keep the wheel straight while we got it off this little section here. And I know it looks flat on video, but it's not. Looks like we got a little bit more damage. That's not supposed to be like that. Well, it looks like some safety engineers got us here. This seems to be neck down for some purpose of breakage before the next component breaks. But in this case, it's too soft. Oh shit, move the ground.
What?
Oh, the ground. Fuck. Here, hold it.
Oh, you're on the...
Yeah, does that fucking translate? Because the boot?
Yeah. I'm gonna cut this. What are you doing here, William?
Taking off a chippy weld here. So we've managed to stick that part onto the rack. The inner tie rod completely broke off the rack. And I've got it welded somewhat decently on the top, but I gotta spin it around. Let me see if it'll spin. So we've done our best to weld this together, being out here in the field, and now it's time to drive out of here, get back to civilization. So here we are again at the shop, coming back from our weekend. This is our piece that we had to weld up on the trail. It actually snapped in two places. It snapped here, and during the rest of the trail it managed to bend again. So now we've got these heavy duty units available on our website soon, and we're testing them right now. Got some on here right now.